This is the 3-pack X-Sense wireless interlinked combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. In this video, I'm going to do the unboxing and show you how to link them to each other, and then I'm going to tell you why you need this set. Let's get started. So this is the alarm itself, and this is the base plate. This base plate is very beefy. Look at the material. It's very thick. And it comes with the expansion screw set, just in case that you don't have a original place. It's not hardwired. It means that there's no electrical wire go through. So it got 10 years battery life. It means that once it's screwed on this plate, it can run for 10 years. And also, within the 10 years, they all three are linked in. It means that once one of the alarm is triggered, so for these two, maybe in the second floor or even in the hallway, so they all comes off. So even now the battery is inside, but when you press it, it's nothing happening because you're gonna need to put this on. You see, I just turn it on, I just screwed it in and it turned on automatically. It needs some time to actually initiate. So now the different color is shining. Now it shows the readings. It says ppm 0, the CO. It basically shows the CO's reading. And here's a warning that do not paint. It means that you don't want to spray or do the painting on top of the surface, and because it may interfere with the airflow. It comes with the user manual. It is very detailed, specify all the technique things that you need to know. Here I'm going to show you how to interconnect them. So if you don't interconnect them, it won't work properly. For example, if you want to pair these two, I'm going to press this button. There's only one button here 4 times. You see the beeping? And means that it's ready to pair. And for another one, I'm going to press 2 times. All right, they're linked. You hear the sound, right? And now we put this one away. We are going to connect these two. Same thing. Press 4 times. Okay, and this one press 2 times. Okay, now these three, they are fully connected. So if you want to test this one, you just push the test once, and it will go through all the different mode of the alarm, and it will shut off automatically. I mean the testing shut off. It just come back to the standby mode. Let's try this. This is smoke. 3 long beeps. This is CO alarm. You can also test all of 3 together. You just need to push this one and hold it. You see these two start beeping? Now it's really loud. And you think it's alright, and just release. Alright, it come back to the standby mode. In my opinion, this is a very good innovation because it's very good for homeowners and DIYers. You can install this by yourself. If you want a house to have this interconnected, you have to hire an electrician. And sometimes they may be fishing lines because there's no lines connect to them altogether. The cost may vary, but it's not cheap. It can connect up to 24 alarms So basically you can put one in the garage, another one in the shed, and basement, bedrooms, hallways, washrooms, kitchens, anywhere that you want to put in. And just in case that something happens and all your families know what's going on. And it's very easy to DIY because it got screws. You don't need to limit it to somewhere only have the electrical box. You can literally install it on anywhere on the ceiling. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.